Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Taco Tuesday. I'm trying to do more tacos because sometimes they are just efficient, easy, and just plain old yummy. Last night we were in Pakistan with the culinary expedition, where I prepared aloo palak, which is a spinach and potato curry. I'm not sure about the definition of it being a curry, because no actual curry blend was used. And the other dish, which is going to turn into one of my favorites, is kali dal, a black dal with onions. And what's funny about both dishes, they basically use the same 4 spices. Both are very, very good. I've been eating black dal for over 30 years. This is the best black dal or kali dal I have had, at least from my kitchen. And you can't go wrong with any kind of potato dish from that region. Both are excellent. All right, like I said, it's Taco Tuesday. I'm just doing a simple ground beef, old-fashioned American tacos. I'm serving with that. I've had this on the back burner for over a month. I've been looking for a way to use it with, in a meal. That's Cowboy Coleslaw. I love coleslaw. Always have. Since I was knee-high to a grasshopper. Wow, I'm really sounding old. All right, let's get to it. Hardware, real simple. All I need to do is cook the ground beef for the tacos. Everything else is bowls, spoons, forks, the usual. So for the software, I got 8 ounces of ground beef, kosher salt, black pepper, a little bit of oil for the saute pan, some salsa. I'm using some leftover street taco size flour tortillas, Mexican style blend cheese mix, shredded whatever. Possibly some Roma tomato to go with the salsa. I'm buying some new green onions. Green onions just don't last in my kitchen. These were bought on Friday, so that kind of, yeah. I have a smatterings of seasoning blends I'm going to be playing with, including the main library, taco seasoning, fajita seasoning, ancho pasilla chili powder, and possibly playing with some asada seasoning blend. For the coleslaw, mayonnaise, sour cream, then we got some black beans. I'm going to be using serrano chili pepper, just a little bit of cumin, ground that is, some lime juice, about a 1/4 cup or so of red bell pepper. The original recipe calls for a coleslaw mix, but I'm going to put my good knife skills to use, and I'm going to finally use up this portion of a green cabbage and some corn. What is not listed here, or it's not shown here, is some adobo sauce. I actually have a recipe that I searched for last night. I'm going to be making my own adobo sauce. I only need a little bit, and I want to try it and making it my own. So here's all the software for the 2 dishes, minus the adobo, for tonight. So what will you be doing on this Taco Tuesday? Going to your favorite taqueria? Taco Bell? Anywhere? All right. It's supposed to be a few degrees cooler, but it's still going to be hot here in Sutter County, California. Oh, yeah. All right. So on this Taco Tuesday, Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.